Hi, if you like the idea of using shared email templates and are looking for a quick start, you're watching the right video. I'll show you how easy it is to add shared email templates to your Outlook, sign up, invite colleagues, and create teams. You can add shared email templates to your Outlook online. First, sign in to your Microsoft Work or School account. Then, select More Apps on the left navigation pane. Click Add Apps. On the Apps page, enter shared email templates into the search box. Select the add-in and then click the Add button. That's it, you're done! It's easy to start working with shared email templates. In your inbox, select any message, then click Reply. Look for the Apps button. Click it and select Shared Email Templates. The add-in pane will appear. Well done! You create a shared email templates account by signing up. So click the Sign Up button on the add-in pane. Then select Sign Up with Microsoft. Choose your Microsoft Work or School account you want to sign up for shared email templates with. If you don't mind, accept the permissions requested by the add-in. Don't worry, you won't be asked for your credit card details. You'll only need to check your account name, it might be the name of your company or team, decide how many users will be there in your account, choose the region where your data will be stored, read and accept terms of use and privacy policy. Then click the Sign Up button. Congratulations, you're on board! To add colleagues to your account, open the More menu on the Shared Email Templates pane. Select the Manage Account option and you'll see the Shared Email Templates app in your default browser. To add your colleagues to your account, select the Import Users from Azure Active Directory. You'll need to sign in to your Microsoft Work or School account. Then you'll see a list of your colleagues. Select those of them who will join your account and click the Import button. Those whom you added to your account will get an invitation email from the ABLB support team. The invitation will contain links to detailed instructions on how to install and open the add-in. To create a team, select New Team in the Account Details section. Name your team. If you want to, add a description and protect a team with a password. Click Save. To add team members, select the team and click Add Users. Choose the users whom you want to join the team. Grant user permissions, user or editor, and then click the Add button. You can also add the users to your team by importing them from Azure Active Directory. To add another admin to your account, click the Add Administrator button and select the person whom you want to grant admin rights. Now, you're all set to start using shared email templates in your daily email routine.